Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ban someone on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Instagram application and then go for the profile you want to go block and report on. Let's say I'm going for this one here. Just simply tap on it. And now you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and just simply tap on this report here, and you can report a specific post, recent messages they sent you, and tap on this something about this account and then proceed. What else you can do? If you want to restrict his account, you have to tap on this restrict and then simply tap on the restrict option, and this account is restricted. Their messages and comments will not be shown to you. If you want to unrestrict it, tap on this, and if you want to block this, simply tap on this block and tap on this block, and you can choose this block and report as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.